Now let's say you have certain shares in your portfolio, and at the same time you are also in need of some cash. So the first thing that might come in your mind is to sell those shares and then use the proceeds to satisfy your cash needs. But the downside with this approach is that you might miss the train when the stocks go up. So in order to avoid that, the best thing you can do is place some hooks. So I call these hooks. So let me explain. Now imagine if you had shares of Starbucks, and imagine for a moment that the price of one Starbucks share is $100. So if you had 10 shares of Starbucks, if you had 100 shares of Starbucks, it would mean you have a portfolio of $10,000 value. Now if you're in need of cash for, let's say, $5,000 value, you might be thinking, okay, why not sell half of the portfolio? Well, that is also reasonable, but there is a better way of doing it if you plan to stay long term in this game. So you can simply sell the stocks, but you also need to replace those stocks with long call positions. So at this time, I will not detail on what should be the strike price, but it's just for your attention that when you buy call options, they are less cost compared to actually buying the shares. So you pay a little bit of premium when you buy call options, and rest of the cash is yours. So later on, whenever you have the cash, you can just buy the shares again and close out the call options. So this way it will help you not to miss the train when the stocks go up. So whenever you are in urgent need of cash and you consider selling your shares, do sell them, but make sure to have some calls in place. So the next time when you want to buy it, and if the prices have gone up, you can enter at lower price because you had set up call options.